Here's a quick Kalodata update. So Spanish is now a supported language right inside of the Kalodata website. In case you don't know, Kalodata is a software tool designed to help you sell more with TikTok Shop, whether as an affiliate or a seller on the platform. And if you're someone who prefers to speak Spanish, you can now change the entire interface of Kalodata into Spanish. So you can just log into your account, come up here to the top right, hover over the language tab, and then you can change it to Spanish or Español. And everything on the web page will be translated into Spanish. So one thing I like about Kalodata is that they are constantly improving to meet the user's needs. And this is just one improvement that they made recently. So I highly recommend them. And if you want to get a free trial, you can use my direct link down below. And if you do go with the paid plan, you can use my code KUMO, K-U-M-O, to get an extra 10% off. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below.